Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a Haulmark we just got in stock today. This one's a 2019 Haulmark 8.5 by 24 plus V. So this is going to give you guys 26 feet of total space. This one's in a two-tone silver charcoal, so you have a silver front, charcoal rear. Nice heavy duty 6-inch frame with an extended triple tube tongue, so you guys will have some good turning radius with this unit. Extra tall diamond plate rock art on the front as well. Now we've also moved this side door back for you guys, so it gives you some little more room up there in the front in the V-nose. You do have an upgraded side door as well with an RV lock and a cam bar on there, so double lock protection. That's our Colorado pack. 250 200-pound axles with brakes, aluminum wheels, and radial tires. Now you also have side vents with this unit as well. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, and then it also has a transition flap on it. This is a car hauler set up for vehicles if needed. So again, you've got the transition flap off the ramp door as well as the dovetail in the rear, which just means the rear deck of the floor drops off about 3 inches, giving you guys a nice easy angle coming in and out of the trailer. 7-foot interior height with this unit as well, and then you've got the vinyl wall liner, kind of makes the trailer nice and bright and clean on the interior. 4 heavy duty D-rings recessed in the floor. We got 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front in the V, plus an escape door, which is going to allow you guys to pull your vehicles in and out of here, open up your driver's side door through that escape door, and get in and out much easier. Now you've got one of your side vents back here, another one's in that top left corner, so the trailer will naturally vent a little bit, which is going to be good if you guys are carrying anything with fuel in here. A couple overhead LED lights on the ceiling, and toggle switch for that is right there next to that side door. Now the back side of the RV lock gives you guys that lock-a-latch and a set of keys, which is a really nice feature, and then you can double lock it again from the outside with your padlocks. Interior step coming in and out of the trailer. There's those 2 more additional D-rings, and then you've got the amazing Drymax floor. So this is an amazing product right here. It's basically the same thing they make cutting boards out of. Super durable, very strong, and best part about it is it does not absorb the water or the moisture. It is a moisture wicking product. So it's much different than having a plywood floor because it will not absorb the water and the moisture, and you eventually will not have to worry about your floors rotting out or that sort of thing if you guys live in inclement climates like we do. So here it is, 303-688-8485 is where you can reach us, or you can check us out online anytime at coloradotrailersinc.com.